Let's learn about validating CSS color codes using regular expressions. This is pattern matching technique for web developers. Let's understand what hexadecimal color codes are. The structure is as follows: a hash symbol followed by 2 characters for red, 2 characters for green, and 2 characters for blue. So, it is basically hash plus red plus green plus blue. This is a 6-digit hexadecimal notation representing RGB color values. Each pair represents the intensity of the color, ranging from 2000 foot, which means minimum intensity, to FF, which indicates maximum intensity. There are 2 valid hexadecimal color formats. The first one is the 6-digit format, represented as #RRGGBB. This format offers full precision, with values ranging from 2000 foot to FF for each color channel. The second format is the 3-digit format, represented as #RGB. This is a shorthand notation, where each color channel is represented by a single hexadecimal digit, ranging from 0 to F. Here are some valid examples: #FF5733, #33A1C9, number 000000, #FFFFFF, #F53, #3AC, number 000, and #FFF. Here is a basic regular expression pattern: $0-9AFA, F, $. Let's break down the components of this pattern. The caret symbol indicates the start of the string. The hashtag symbol matches the literal hash character. $0-9AFAF is a character class that matches any hexadecimal character. 6 specifies that we want exactly 6 occurrences of the preceding character class. The dollar symbol indicates the end of the string. To support the 3-digit format, we can use the following regular expression: $#, $0-9AFAV, $0-9AFAV, $6. This pattern uses alternation to match either 3 or 6 hexadecimal characters. 3 indicates the 3-digit shorthand format, #RGB. 6 indicates the 6-digit full format, #RRGGBB. Here's a Python implementation to validate hex color codes using regular expressions. First, import the re module. Then define a function called is_valid_hex_color that takes a color underscore code as input. Inside the function, define the regular expression pattern, our caret hashtag, $0-9AFF, $0-9AFF, $6. Finally, return the Boolean result of re.match, pattern, color underscore code. Here are a few usage examples. Is_valid_hex_color, #FF5733, returns true. Is_valid_hex_color, #F53, returns true. Is_valid_hex_color, FF5733, returns false. Let's test some common cases to ensure our regular expression works correctly. Here are some valid cases: #FF5733, number 000000, #FFFFFF, #ABC123, #F53, number 000, and #FFF. Here are some invalid cases: FF5733, #GG5733, #FF57, #FF57333, #FF5733, and #FF5733. Here's a summary of the key takeaways and best practices for validating hexadecimal color codes using regular expressions. Our final pattern is $#, $0-9AFF, $0-9AFF, $6. Anchors represented by caret and dollar ensure complete string matching. The character class, $0-9AFF, Handles case insensitivity. Alternation supports both 3-digit and 6-digit formats. Always test edge cases and invalid inputs. With these practices in mind, you are ready for production use. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.